Welcome back to Charisar classes. I am Sagunachari Budhibhoksham, Vedic Mathematics and Mathematics trainer. Today in this module, we are going to learn about the prime number. Prime represent uniqueness or speciality like prime minister and prime time, etc. Like what is prime number? Prime number is a natural number. What is natural number? Natural number is a counting number. A number which uses to count the things, places, persons is called a natural number. So prime number is a natural number which has exactly two factors is called a prime number. The two factors are 1 and itself. Suppose you consider 7. 7 is exactly divisible by 1 and 7 is exactly divisible by 7 itself. It has no other factors apart from 1 and itself. Therefore 7 is a prime number. So how many prime numbers we have from 1 to 100? Means there are 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100. So how much time we take to write these 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100? By using natural method, it takes 5 to 10 minutes of time, but by using our technique, it takes exactly 1 minute of time. So how to do that? Let's see from here. So first we write outside the box, we write the single digit prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5 and 7. We write single digit prime numbers, 4 prime numbers out of the box. Now inside the box we should write. For that, so whenever you are entering into the box from outside to, just you add plus 4 to this 7. 7 plus 4, that become 11. And within the box, just you add plus 2, means 11 plus 2, that becomes 13. Now again from here this box to next box, whenever you are writing, now add for the 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19. The pattern is very clear. Plus 4 when you are writing out of the box, plus 2 within the box. Out of the box plus 4, within the box plus 2, plus 4 plus 2, plus 4 plus 2. The pattern is same as this. Let's write down, let's fill up all these boxes one by one. Let's see what happens. So 19 plus 4 here, this is plus 4, that becomes 23. 23 plus 2 is 25. Don't worry, 25 is not a prime number. We have a process to eliminate that. Just we will write down, follow the pattern, plus 4 plus 2, plus 4 plus 2. Let's write down plus 4, 25 plus 4, 29, 29 plus 2, 31, 31 plus 4, 35, 35 plus 2, 37. Next, 37 plus 4, 41, 41 plus 2, 43, 43 plus 4, 47, 47 plus 2, 49, 49 plus 4, 53, 53 plus 2, 55, 55 plus 4, 59, 59 plus 2, 61, 61 plus 4, 65, 65 plus 2, 67. And next, 67 plus 4 is 71, 71 plus 2 is 73, 73 plus 4 is 77, 77 plus 2 is 79, 79 plus 4 is 83, 83 plus 2 is 85, 85 plus 4 is 89, 89 plus 2 is 91, 91 plus 4 is 95, 95 plus 2 is 97. That's it. All the 15 boxes we filled up. But in this, all these numbers are not prime. Some of the numbers are non-prime numbers are there. Let's eliminate them. What is the process of elimination here? That is, in this, anywhere, in these boxes, anywhere, either 5 multiple or 7 multiples, if you can see, just you can eliminate. Let's eliminate 5 multiple first. So what are the 5 multiples in this? 25 is a 5 multiple, eliminate. 35 is a 5 multiple, eliminate. And 55 is a 5 multiple, eliminate. 65 is a 5 multiple, eliminate. And 85 is 5 multiple, eliminate. 95 is also 5 multiple, eliminate. After eliminating 5 multiples, let's eliminate 7 multiples also. What are the 7 multiples? You can see here. So this is here 49, 7 7 is 49. Eliminate that. After that, coming to here, 7 multiple, 7 11s are 77, that is also you can eliminate, and 13 7s are 91, 91 also you eliminate. Over. Elimination process is over. The remaining all these numbers are prime numbers. You can count here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. All these 25 numbers are prime numbers. Let's list out these numbers here. So the primes are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, okay, 47 and 53, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These are the 25 prime numbers. These are all the prime numbers. Once you get this table, without using this table, directly you can write all these 25 prime numbers. Okay, let's concentrate on this note also. The smallest prime number is 2. The smallest prime number is 2, and all primes are odd except 2. 2 is an even prime. All other prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. And a natural number between 6 and 100 is a prime if it leaves a remainder 1 or 5 when it is divided by 6. Means how to identify a prime number? One number is given. Suppose from this any number is given. Suppose 29 is given. Tell me, sir, whether it is a prime number or not. Means just you take this 29, divide by 6. When you divide 29 by 6, you get 5 as a remainder. Therefore, it is a prime number. To qualify as a prime number, it must leave remainder 1 or 5 when it is divided by 6. If you feel it is useful, please like, comment and share. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit the bell icon and select all notifications. Thank you very much.